We've bought the 5 most popular enrichment games for dogs off Amazon, so you don't have to, and we brought Bunny along to help us review them.
Is she ready to review?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Bun Bun, you ready to go? Let's do this one. So first we have a puzzle dog toy. Let's have a look. What's this? Next we have a slow feeder strawberry. What's this? Hi. It smells good. It doesn't smell dog friendly, but we'll go with it. Bunny, what's this? We have a boredom reducing snail. Boredom reducing snail. What do we think to him? Fun. What's this? Okay, so I think you put treats in here. What do you think to him?
Try and hold both.
Okay. I know what this is. This is a Snuffle Mat. I think it's a little drawstring one. We'll get that out for you. This is a snuffle ball. Yeah, snuffle ball. Okay, so let's get this one out. Oh my lord, what's this?